In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set campaign on Brevo. By the end, you'll have an email campaign set up, designed, and scheduled with confidence. Start by heading to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. This connects your account quickly and securely. Select the Google account you use for Brevo, and if you see a permissions prompt, proceed to allow access so you land inside your Brevo dashboard. Once you're in, go to the Marketing section. This is the hub for all your outbound activities. From there, open Campaigns. The Campaigns area is where you'll organize, review, and launch your messages, and it's the place you'll return to for performance stats later. Create a new campaign and choose email as the channel. Brevo supports multiple channels, but today we're focusing on email, which is ideal for newsletters, promotions, and updates. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name. Pick something that makes it easy to recognize the goal, audience, or date at a glance. Good naming saves time when you're running multiple initiatives and reviewing results. Confirm by creating the campaign. You'll now see the key setup steps to complete before launch. Add recipients by selecting the appropriate contact list. Choose a list that aligns with your message's purpose. Make sure your contacts have consent to receive emails, and aim for a clean, updated list to protect your deliverability and improve engagement. Add your subject line next. Keep it concise, specific, and relevant to the value inside. Avoid spammy phrasing and excessive punctuation. If you use personalization, make sure your contact data supports it to avoid awkward outputs. Start design to build your email. Use Brevo's editor to structure your message with headings, images, and buttons. Keep a logical visual hierarchy, use clear calls to action, and ensure your content looks good on mobile. Short paragraphs and scannable sections help readers grasp your message quickly. Open edit settings to fine-tune important details. Here, confirm your sender name and reply to address, set tracking options, and, if needed, add UTM parameters for analytics. Double-check these values so your reporting is accurate and your brand appears consistent in inboxes. Finally, schedule your campaign. Choose whether to send immediately or at a specific date and time. Consider your audience's time zone and typical open times for the best reach. Once the schedule is set, you're ready to launch. That's it. You've logged in, created an email campaign, added recipients, set the subject, designed your content, adjusted settings, and scheduled delivery, all in Brevo.